Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic CorelCAD tutorial how to create point. To create points, you can type PO and press enter. Now you can specify the position. I will click in it. It will be automatically create point. If you want to change for the point style, you can type point again. And then you can type S to go into settings, press enter. Now will be automatically show for drawing settings dialog box. So in here for the point, you can change, like I will set into this type, click apply and OK. So the point will be automatically changed. You can tap again PO, press enter for point, and then I will tap M to use multiple option, and I will click in here, click again in another. Press escape button to close. Okay, that's it for basic CorelCAD tutorial, how to create point. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.